Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I'm someone who deals with chronically dry, itchy, and uncomfortable skin, and I've been using this Clearbody Manuka honey cream, and I'm so delighted with the result. One of the most embarrassing things has been when my hands are so dry and flaky, and you can actually see the skin flaking off onto my slacks. So since I've been using this cream on a daily basis, I've noticed that my hands are looking so much better. As soon as I feel any kind of tightness anywhere on my skin, I place just a small amount of this cream on it and it is instantly soothing. This is such a nice lightweight cream. It doesn't leave a sticky or greasy residual on your skin, and it soaks in really quickly, and you'll feel the effects for hours, which I love. I recently got stung on the nose by a bee when I was out gardening, so I was definitely feeling the effects of that, not just on my face, but my chest and my neck, and using this cream on that made such a huge difference in helping to deal with that. Having the colloidal oatmeal along with the honey is just such a wonderful combination so that you can get that instant comfort. I've been loving using this in combination with the Clearbody cotton gloves overnight, and I cannot believe how incredibly smooth and clear and more youthful looking my hands are. This is such an amazing product. I love using it all over my skin, and that's my point of view.